Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from BEST, coming to you today to talk to you about the IPC A620 Revision C. This is a wire-bound book. This is the specification guideline used by inspectors and quality control staff, as well as the basis material for the training program put on by IPC. It is full of lots of different samples and guidelines and drawings and sketches to help illustrate what the specifications are. So this has been Bob Wetterman from BEST, coming to you today to talk about the IPC A620 version C.